Welcome back to
Don't tell my wife.
and we're at $150. Come on, Zendikar. Guess the only thing that we gotta account for is the bonus packs that we didn't show here. I think they amount to about $30 on the stuff that I pulled up, so I'll put that in here. Sagras, 23 cents. A lot of rares in one pack. 41 cents. Canopy, Land, double-sided, full art, $14.27. Yes! Yes! Misty Rainforest, foil. 30, 35, $55? Are you freaking kidding me? What? Why? I mean, that's awesome, but why? Woo!
Don't tell my wife.